We're gonna make sweet little angel for your holiday tree out of an old jean pocket. Fold up the top of our pocket this way. So we've got this open loop at the top, and we're going to wire this closed. And you can just tie that nicely with some cording, some ribbon, some lace, whatever you would like. Take a little wooden ball, use some markers, draw on a face, glue on some sphagnum moss or some Spanish moss, and just take a same little piece of that cord and make it into a halo. We're going to add some glue to the bottom, and we are just going to glue her in place. And now just spread out her wings, and you just have a cute little angel for your tree.